Hello folks, this is David Schlossberg from Assured Concepts Group with our educational economic update for November of 2020. This month's video will discuss the recent headlines that influenced the financial markets up to the end of October and won't include anything in relation to post-October and what's happened since then. From my perspective, these are the developments that may mean in the months ahead. So inaction on a fiscal stimulus bill and rising COVID-19 cases, both here and abroad, put pressure on stock prices in the month of October. The Dow Industrials, which have lagged much of the year, dropped nearly 5% in that month. The S&P 500 index fell about 3%, while the NASDAQ slipped a little bit more than 2%. The theme moving the markets was the new fiscal stimulus bill, which many believe is needed to keep the recovery moving. When talks appeared on track, stocks had rallied. When negotiations broke down, stocks fell. As hope for a stimulus deal faded, a surge in COVID in the U.S. and Europe added to the souring market sentiment. As the month came to a close, many companies reported solid earnings for the third quarter. But the market seemed overwhelmed by macro issues, with selling accelerating in the final weeks of trading. The election results will take center stage in the month of November. Should President Trump get reelected following his court battles, investors would expect him to follow similar policy initiatives during his second term. If former Vice President prevails, investors may be listening closely to public statements and potential cabinet appointments to gain insight into his actual policy priorities. Regardless of who wins, the market may eagerly await signs of the timing, size, and elements of a new stimulus measure, as it's been anticipated for several months. Well, that's it for this month's economic update. Please stay tuned for our next one, as I'm sure it will be interesting. Once again, this is David Schlossberg with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of November 2020. And please remember that nothing I mention here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give me a call at 847-426-1077. I'd be happy to chat with you. Thank you.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy.